Good evening, everyone. Alice here from Sophie Financial Network. Today is November 10th, 2022. All right, so we had a surprise. I thought that surprise is coming down, but surprisingly, market bounced pretty sharply to the upside. And I believe, to be honest, I didn't anticipate this move. That was fantastic bear market rally. This is an absolute typical bear market rally. In every single bear market, we will have very, very sharp rally to the upside, and it is pretty tight if you want to trade and put your stop loss there, just because bear market rallies are pretty sharp, and you see the spiking candles are pretty sharp. Even this one, we had very, very sharp all the way up to here and then flip back down to the downside. So I don't know what's coming tomorrow, but we will get some levels in this video, and we're talking about it and see how it goes. But right now, just the market had fantastic, remarkable rally today. SPY traded 140 million, which is substantial volume for SPY, which is the ETF of S&P 500. And additionally, we should see all these levels are kind of like engulfed. This one is engulfed, this supply engulfed. So we are heading up to 4011. And if you follow my videos, I said there is a potential upside to here, but I didn't anticipate. I just emphasized that I didn't anticipate, but market is all about it. So we should be on the right side of the track. Market didn't break down this level. So in yesterday's video, I told you if we break out this level, we take out this pivot easily and we are going all the way down to here. Market had support pretty nicely. CPI number just came up, just a 0.2% lower than expectation, but market had very, very nice short squeeze to the upside, and S&P just I can remember during COVID crash when market had a rally, S&P just flipping to the upside like 5%, 6% in one day, and today was one of those days. Sentiment is getting back to the bullish. Sentiment is not bearish at all, so which is a very, very good sentiment wise, but we are not there yet for another short position. I'm just getting to the detail tomorrow. Tomorrow would be Veterans Day and in US, and Remembrance Day in Canada, and market will be open, but bond market will be closed. So just pay attention to that one as well. So market will be probably in low volume tomorrow. Just everyone is going to the vacation earlier. So today, kind of you can just nail it as like a last day of the week, but weekly candle will be closed tomorrow. So we will wait for the weekly candle tomorrow. We will come back with weekly analysis tomorrow, but right now, today, market, as I said, a pretty substantial level, just break it up. And we are heading to 4,000 and potentially 4,011, 4,012. That's going to be the level. Going to 4 hours chart. When we're getting to the smaller time frame, I can just give you better estimation of where we at. So here's the 4 hours chart. We are engulfing this level. So this trend line actually did work out fantastically. So this trend line will break out to the upside. There is lots of people are getting bullish now, and this is nice. So we want to see that. We just stopped out one. We got this move, but we stopped up in another trade. So that's pretty normal. So um, we can't win all the trades, but we need to be very, very cautious about our percentage. If we lose something, that we need to pay attention to that one as well. So market is heading up. S&P 500 is heading up to 4,017 to 4,058. So that is based on a level for 4 hours chart. Basically, in 4 hours chart indicator wise, we are very, very overbought. So, but again, so in rallies, you will get overbought. You will get overbought a signal, so don't pay attention to that one. But if it comes with the higher time frame, which is, let's go back to a daily for another time. If you go back to the daily, still have room to get to the overbought overbought condition. So if we get to the overbought condition, that would be great idea to back to the short, especially when we are getting to this level. So also RSI wise, we are getting to the next level to 65%. MACD is falling, which is fantastic just because it gives us a divergence. Look at that. So MACD is falling, we will get a higher high. MACD is giving us a lower high. So that's going to be a divergence between two tops, even three tops. And then we get back to the short side. But right now we are just looking for the MACD. MACD is giving us a divergence. Now we need to see a peak or at least a good level to have another rally. So um, um, yeah, so going back to the 4 hour chart. So 4 hour chart, we are getting back to overbought condition, which is still have the room here. So this one, there's still room there. So 4017, 4056. But again, for daily chart, I just mentioned 4012. So that's going to be my level to watch to see if we get there. So this tick line, this 4012, and probably we are just piercing above it and then coming back down. So I'm not sure about it. Okay, going back to let's move on to let's move on to hourly chart. So as you see here, this is a phenomenon parabolic move to the upside. We just engulf two pivots here. And I just want to tell you something interesting. This is a typical bear flag which failed. And this is another head and shoulder in 4 hours chart failed. And when these two patterns fail at the same time, so you will see all the short sellers here stopped out or need to close their short position. So when they close their short position, all those short position is getting back to the demand side, which is changing to the buyer side. So that's why you see the flip flop here. So that's going to be the next demand area. So I'm saying if we get to this level, which is, let me just zoom back here, see where are we going. So if you zoom back there, so this level is coming along in 1 hour chart, it's coming along to this level, which is a sharp sell-off. Exactly CPI number just came out on December, I believe 13, and then sharp sell-off just creating this supply area consolidation and then going down. So we are heading to this nice supply area. So this is the first time. This is a very fresh supply area, and we are just heading to that one. So that one is 39.74, which is just a touch above this today's play, just 10 points above it, and 4012. So tomorrow or early next week, if you get to this level, consolidate or coming back down, don't be surprised. First of all, market is stretched. It's overbought. Any way that you want to slice it and dice it, it is very parabolic move to the upside just because of the number. And also the volume is pretty big. So here volume was pretty big, especially here, like around 3,900. So next time, if we come back down here, so we will get a bounce. Probably that's going to be good for scalping. However, if we engulf this level, I would say this move is done because this level is very important for the entire move. So this is based on news, but after that, traders, like lots of traders coming back to buy the market because of the pullback to this resistance and then buying back here and making this rally. So if we come down and we engulf this, I mean, by engulfing means coming down, like completely piercing through this demand area. So that would be great selling opportunity, right? So I'm just looking for selling opportunity here. I'm just looking for the reversal here, to be honest. And I will send a signal as well. So, um, so we will see. We'll see how it goes. Again, tomorrow bond market will be closed, and stock market will be in low volume. And I will get back to you with a weekly analysis, which I'm coming back with a sentiment analysis, Nasdaq, and so on, as per all weekly analysis. Okay, I think I wrapped up everything. Let's give market more benefit of doubt for the upside, but this is just a bounce within the bear market. Don't think we are even bottomed yet. So bottom would be next year, not this year. All right, have a fantastic evening. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.